Hello violin players, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we are learning exercise 125 on page 35 in your book, and we're going to learn to play this song, but we're also going to think about the structure of this song and we're going to learn some letter names. So I'm hoping that by the end of this lesson you feel more comfortable playing this song and continue to practice it on your own. So let's delve straight in and play this together at a slow pace. I'm going to count us in for 4 and I'd like you to try and use the whole bow. At first we're playing it very slowly, and by the end of this video I promise you we'll play it a little bit faster as well, so hang in there right until the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really well done. Now I think you will find the notes reasonably straightforward because most of the time they are scale passages, and I'm hoping that you will have spotted that. When you get to the end of the first line and in the second line as well, you can see these accidentals appear, the F sharp and the C sharp, and all that you need to do with that is just observe that they are there. Nothing is going to change with your fingers as to how you play these notes. Just play a normal second finger on the A string and a normal second finger on the D string. What I'm hoping that you have observed while you were playing is that the first 2 bars at the start and bars 5 and 6, which is the second half of the first line, they are the same tune except one starts on the D string and one starts on the G string, and we call that in music a sequence. And when you pick up sequences in your music, it makes the music easier to play because you already know what the sound is going to be like. So listen to this. I'm playing the first 2 bars now. And now I'll play you bars 5 and 6. You can probably hear that this is in essence the same tune, except I started on a D the second time, and we call this, I play it a 5th higher. I play it 5 notes higher. Now when we play the second line, there are also some sequences there, and they go per 2 bars. I'll play you the second line and I'll tell you about it as we go along. So here is the beginning of line 2. Now this tune comes back now. We would expect there to be that note, so it is very nearly the same. And then it comes back another time. You see, it's 3 times a similar section. And as I said earlier, observing these patterns will make your playing easier. Now before we play this piece a little bit faster, let's just see if we can remember the letter names of the notes. So what I'd like you to do is go over the letter names of the notes by yourself. Perhaps you can pause this video and have a go before I tell you the answers. So when we have the letter names here, we're going to have G, A, B, D, C, D, E, G, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, G, A, B, G, D, E, F sharp, A, G, A, B, D, C sharp, B, A, C sharp, D, D. And that just makes me well aware of how much progress you have made with your note reading, because that's quite a long string of notes. Now let's have a go at the second line. And when we play the second line, the letter names are D, C sharp, B, D, C sharp, A, F sharp, D, B, A, G, B, A, F sharp, D, A, G, F sharp, E, G, F sharp, D, B, G, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Absolutely amazing. So now for an end of your lesson, I'll play you the song a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have enjoyed that. Now if you have, why not like this video and hit the bell button. Many thanks and thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Goodbye.